title of this video, I'm going to be customizing my husband's Air Force One. Looks so cute. Anyways, I'm kind of nervous about this video because I only have one chance to customize his shoes. Because if I mess up, they're just ruined. They're just gonna be ruined permanently. I feel bad, but at the same time, he did ask me to do this, so I mean, is it fully gonna be my fault? I mean, I guess, because I am the one designing it, but whatever. So for his shoes, I was thinking of doing like a black and white, like leaving one black and doing one white, because that's his wardrobe. He always wears black, or there's something that he's wearing that's white. So I was like, okay, nothing colorful, just basic white and black. I feel that's my best route, but I am still very nervous. So if I do mess up, I can't say it is what it is, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully my husband likes the shoes when they're finished. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with painting this one black for the sole purpose of the black and white theme. So, oh my gosh, I am so nervous. Like, take a deep breath. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Like, I'm freaking out, bro. Woo! It's so different, like, filming than just doing it, you know? Okay. Got my paint marker, paint brushes. Go right there. So, for the Nike check, I think I was gonna make it drip. You know what I'm saying? Probably don't. I'm just gonna have to draw it out. Freaking nervous. Sorry that you can't see this. Normally, I just need to get better equipment, you know. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I got this, girl. I got this. Oh my gosh. Woo. And we going. Okay, I'm feeling it just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, and now I need a small permanent marker. I'll be right back. I got the drips going, and so now I'm just gonna paint the rest besides this part and obviously the Nike check. I'm gonna leave those white, but the rest I'm going to paint black. So I'm just gonna do that in a sped up video because I don't want y'all to be bored watching me paint a shoe black. So here we go. This is actually taking a lot longer than I expected. This is what I have so far, and this is what I have left. But yeah, it's taking a little longer than I expected. But I mean, if you want it to be good, I guess you gotta take your time. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully I get these finished today. Yeah, I hope I get these finished today. Sorry. in somewhere. I like it. I really do. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna paint the laces black because I don't want to paint this. I really don't, because I don't want to get the insides all, you know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna paint the laces black so it can fit more. And then, yeah. And then I guess I'm just gonna get started on the next shoe. So here we go. I have a problem. So saying on the other shoe that I painted this, or I left this white and I left this white, I think I'm gonna paint this part black and this part black, just so it can like correlate. And I think, and yeah, and so I didn't paint like these little parts on the other shoe, so I think I'm gonna paint these black as well. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. I would totally record this process, but my camera is unfortunately dying. I should have better prepared, so I do apologize, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys the aftermath, of course. And I can record on my phone, like me doing some of the things, so you guys can kind of see it. But again, I do apologize, but it's still gonna be wonderful. Okay, so I started it, but I'm gonna use my paint marker so I can like outline the skinny parts, like right here, and like these little lines, and then obviously to fill in the little drips. And that's this is what I have so far, so I'm just checking in. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous, still nervous, because that one's drying, and then I have this one, and just thinking of like other designs to put on it. I don't want it to be girly, obviously, because it's for my husband, so I just gotta like think. And I thought I had it, like a plan, but I lost it, so I'm just gonna have to go with the flow on this one, because like I said, it's the small things, so I feel like he's still gonna be very appreciative of this. So yeah. Alright, so this is what I have done so far. So here's the white one, digging it, and then the black one is still drying. So I hope I do get these done today, like I really do, because I'm actually loving how they look right now. Oh my gosh, like I love them. So we just gotta let them dry. Hopefully this paint does dry fast. I mean, normally when I use it, it does dry pretty fast. So we'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm digging them. I like them. Alright, you guys, so I have realized, because I'm waiting for my shoes to dry, and so I'm editing at the same time, and I noticed that when I record on my phone versus my camera, the phone is more blurrier. So I do apologize for that in the video, because you know, why not multitask, you feel me? So I'm gonna try to use the camera as much as I can to like show the doodling process, but again, I really do apologize. This is my first actual like YouTube video without using my phone, so it's like hard to like manage both, but I know I'll get better with time. But like I said, I'm going to continue using the camera to show my doodling process, and then hopefully I'll be done soon.
They look great.
Thanks.
Now I just gotta put my shoestrings in them.
Yeah.
I just gotta wash them. But these look good.
Thank you. Babe, be careful. I don't want you to ruin them.
Oh, yeah. I'm fresh to death. So fresh.
Ooh. Thank you.